Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to place a good till cancelled limit order on mobile and Fidelity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply place a good till cancelled limit order on Fidelity, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Fidelity. Once you simply go and tap open your Fidelity, you can simply navigate to the trade ticket. You need to go to the trading section to find the trade ticket for security you want to trade. So once you go there, you can simply have entered your security code. So to enter the stock or ETF, all you got to do is simply go and tap open your security code as well. After doing this, you need to select or buy or sell your stocks. So you need to simply choose one and enter the quantity and price. After doing this, you can simply set time in force and review and submit. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.